So today I'll be showing a demonstration of a medical product that is on the market today. It's actually a simulation of an infusion pump that is a Class 3 high-risk product that is on the market both in the US and in the EU. So this is the simulation of a Class 3 infusion pump that is actually on the market today. Class 3 meaning that it's a very high risk clinically to a patient if the device fails. What you see over to the right is actually what's driving the simulator. It's an IMX6 board, so what this shows is that on very low-level technology, hardware technology, you can make a really beautiful, elegant UI UX experience. Notably, this user interface was developed with our design studio. What that means is that the graphic designer mocked up the actual user interface in Photoshop, imported it, and then the QML code was then generated for the developer to then put in the logic behind what's driving the simulation. What that does is it kind of streamlines the workflow between the designer and the developer. So Design Studio was used in creating this simulation and creating this demo. The other notable thing is the FDA, the EU are really starting to put more stringent regulations around cybersecurity. So what we chose to do is we partnered with our partners at Green Hill Software to develop this simulation on the Integrity operating system. The Integrity operating system is one of the most secure operating systems in the world from a cybersecurity standpoint. So the next step in this demo is to actually have our IEC 62304 safe renderer to mock out the safety critical areas of the user interface so that if the user interface crashes, the safety critical data stays up on the display. In addition, we'll be connecting this to a clinical system through a cloud so that this will be a complete system, not just the device that you see, but also the clinical data being captured outside of the device in a patient record system. Okay, so in medical devices and medical technology, there's human factor risk. That human factor risk is the risk of misusing a device. What medical devices built with Qt, you can build very safe, effective, modern, and reliable devices that work in every hospital today.